Listen, I'm only making one video on this. Stop going in my comments talking about, oh, you blood. I thought you was just Crip. This is orange, not fucking red. Are you guys colorblind? Orange and blue is Crip. I'm 30's neighborhood Crip, my nigga. It's orange and blue. You sound stupid. So if you gonna try to G-check me, at least know your facts. And stop saying this shit is red. Because it's not red. You'll never catch me wearing red. Fuck. It's Crip shit only, my nigga. So stop coming in the comments talking about you was just wearing blue. I thought you was a Crip. Yes, I'm a Crip. I'm 30s. I'll forever be 30. You see this loyalty tattoo? It means something. I'm loyal to my people. Now stop coming in that comments with that bullshit.